Hey everyone, it's Keith from Million Mile Secrets. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Chase Ultimate Rewards points to book award flights to South Africa. We recently received a question on this topic from reader Geeta, who has 500,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points. She's looking to use her points to book 6 round-trip flights. The good news is there are 5 different Chase airline transfer partners that offer award flights from the US to South Africa, including British Airways, Flying Blue, Korean Air, United Airlines, and Virgin Atlantic. In this guide, I'll focus on booking award flights through United Airlines, who is part of the Star Alliance. This means you can transfer Chase Ultimate Rewards points to United Airlines and book award flights on partner airlines like South African Airways. Booking this way is the most direct and cheapest option available to get to South Africa. The first step is to go to united.com. You can search for award flights without having to log into your frequent flyer account, and you don't have to transfer Chase Ultimate Rewards points to your account until you confirm that award seats are available. In this example, I'm searching for a round-trip flight from New York to Johannesburg. You'll have a better chance of finding multiple award seats if you're flexible with your travel dates, so I checked the box "My dates are flexible." Then, I selected September 2018 as the travel month. I updated the number of passengers to 6 and checked the box for Search for Award Travel. Click Search and wait for the award calendar to appear. At this point, you'll want to find Saver Award Seats. A one-way Saver Award seat in coach to South Africa costs 40,000 United Airlines miles. In business class, you'll pay 80,000 United Airlines miles, but it can be difficult to find multiple award seats available in business class. The easiest way to find these low-level award seats is to click on the calendar dates that have a blue line on them. For example, when I click on September 3rd, you'll see there are award seats available on non-stop South African Airways flight. If this flight works for you, just click Select underneath the award flight price. On the next page, you can follow the same steps to select your return flight home. Once you find an option that works for you, just click Select underneath the award flight price. At this point, you'll have to log into your United Airlines account to enter passenger details and book the flights. Keep in mind, if you haven't transferred your Chase Ultimate Rewards points yet, now would be the time to do it. You can read our complete post for more tips on booking this type of award flight, and be sure to follow us at millionmilesecrets.com for more tips to get big travel with small money.